This is gonna blow your mind. Most drivers are making a simple mistake that's quietly destroying their car's transmission, and they don't even realize it. Shifting gears before your car comes to a complete stop might seem harmless, but it's a habit that's costing drivers thousands in repairs. This small mistake causes hidden damage, wearing down internal parts until your transmission fails. The fix? Always stop fully before shifting. A simple habit change can save you from expensive repairs. Let's dive in and protect your transmission from this silent killer. Your automatic transmission is a complex, expensive machine. Think of it as your car's brain for shifting gears. Repairs are costly because fixing a transmission means removing, disassembling, and rebuilding hundreds of intricate parts. A rebuild can run $3,000 or more. A replacement, $5,000 or plus. While age and mileage matter, most failures are caused by driver habits, especially the one we're discussing today. This habit puts stress on parts never meant to handle it. Preventative maintenance and smart driving are your best defense. Understanding this mistake is the first step to saving big money. Here's a surprisingly common mistake that many drivers make without even realizing it: shifting between drive and reverse, or even into park, while your car is still rolling, even just a little bit. It happens everywhere: backing out of tight parking spots, making quick turns in crowded lots, or parking in a rush when you're in a hurry and just want to grab that open space before someone else does. Even if your car is barely moving, just creeping along at 1 mile per hour, shifting gears at that moment can do real, lasting harm. When you shift before coming to a complete stop, you're forcing your transmission to act as a brake, absorbing all that force, something it was never designed to do. Your brakes are designed to handle stopping your car, and they're relatively cheap to fix or replace. But your transmission? That's a whole different story. It's one of the most expensive parts to repair. Most drivers don't realize this is a problem because it's rarely taught in driving school, and it's not something you'll find in most manuals. But ignoring it can be a costly mistake. Saving a second or two by shifting early might seem harmless, but it can end up costing you thousands of dollars in repairs down the road. The good news? This is a habit that's incredibly easy to break. Just remember to always come to a full stop before shifting gears. Once you understand what's actually happening inside your transmission when you shift too soon, you'll never want to risk it again. Let's take a closer look at the kind of damage this bad habit can cause, and why it's so important to avoid it. Inside your transmission, shifting while moving forces clutch packs and bands to grab spinning parts going the opposite direction. This creates intense friction and heat, wearing out the friction material and weakening bands. Over time, this leads to slipping, jerky shifts, and eventual failure. Shifting into park while moving is even worse. The parking pawl, a small metal pin, slams into a spinning gear, risking cracks or breakage. This can also damage the gear teeth and send shock waves through your drivetrain. Each time you do this, you're causing micro damage that adds up. It's like hitting a metal part with a hammer. Eventually, it breaks, all to save a second or two. Not worth the risk. How do you know if your transmission is suffering? Watch for delayed engagement when shifting takes a second or two to respond. Slipping gears, engine revs but the car doesn't accelerate, means worn clutches. Listen for new noises. Whining, humming, or clunking during shifts are red flags. Check your transmission fluid if possible. It should be bright red and smell sweet. Burnt dark fluid or metal shavings mean serious trouble. Don't ignore these signs. Get your car checked before a small issue becomes a disaster. Early action can save your transmission. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Now, here's how to shift the right way. The solution is simple. Always come to a complete stop before shifting between drive, reverse, or park. Rushing this step or shifting while the car is still moving puts unnecessary strain on your transmission and can lead to expensive repairs down the road. It's a small habit that makes a big difference. Here's how. Brake fully until all motion stops, then shift gears. Don't be tempted to shift while rolling, even at low speeds. Waiting those extra moments ensures your car's internal components aren't grinding against each other. When parking, stop completely, keep your foot on the brake, and set the parking brake first. This is especially important on hills or uneven surfaces, where gravity can put extra pressure on your transmission if you skip this step. Only then shift into park. This protects the parking pawl and your transmission. The parking pawl is a small but crucial part that locks your car in place, and it's not designed to hold the full weight of your vehicle. The parking brake holds the car's weight. The transmission is just a backup. Relying on the transmission alone can cause premature wear and costly damage over time. This habit takes just 2 extra seconds but adds years to your transmission's life. It's a simple step that can save you hundreds, even thousands in repair bills. Make it routine. Stop, parking brake, then park. Following this order every time makes it second nature and keeps your car in top shape. It's a pro tip every driver should use, whether you're new behind the wheel or have years of experience. Start today. Your transmission and your wallet will thank you. You'll enjoy peace of mind, knowing you're protecting your investment every time you park. Drive smart, and avoid the silent killer of your car's transmission. A little care now means a lot less trouble later.